So my blender came with a blender, a cleaning brush, and also an ice tray for small ice cubes, which I actually didn't expect, and it was good. So this is my blender, and so there were speeds which I can control, and it was blending very smoothly. I used it to blend my tomatoes, and it was blending very smoothly. Yes. So overall, I think it was a good product, and also quite affordable at this price. So I would suggest buying this. And considering there are also a lot of colors, variations are also available, and this ice tray was super useful because usually large ice tubes don't blend in a blender, so that's the thing. So yeah, overall it was a great product by OBERLY.
Damn, this shit dead.